Okay, today we're going to do a review on the Avantek indoor HD antenna. It comes with the instruction manual. It comes with this is the antenna, and this is the screw to plug it into the back of the TV. You can screw it onto the wall, or you can put it on a stand, however you like. And these are the bolts for the nuts and bolts for the wall. It comes with the AC/DC adapter, and let's get started. So today I'm just gonna put it on a stand as opposed to screwing it in. It's very easy. You just push it in right here, and that's it. And it stands like that. And let's go to the back of the TV and put it in. So it goes right here, and we're just gonna screw it in gently. Just have to turn it a few times to make sure it's nice and secure. Okay. And I'm just gonna place this on the back over here. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the adapter and plug it into the wall. And I'm gonna place this. It goes right here. Has a hole for it. And you just want to make sure the blue light is on to make sure it's on. Okay. So on my TV, I go to the broadcast signal, and this is air. And it's going to start scanning for channels. It's a very good antenna. It seems that it has a 50-mile range HD TV, and it has a 1080p HD TV broadcasting, which makes it for very clear quality. And it supports both UHF and VHF bands. And as I showed you, the installation was very easy and fast. And it was very thin, so it just hides behind the TV, or you could just place it on the wall, whatever you prefer. So this just takes about a minute or so, and we're almost done. The picture and sounding should be excellent because it's for HD TV, if your TV supports that. And it seems like we have 10 so far. Let's see, we're almost done, up to 13, 15 channels. So now we just press close and turn. And change the channels. Seems like everything is working well, and it's very clear.
I know we had some strong storms.
Alright, thank you for watching my review. I hope this review was very helpful to you. Have a great day.